Okay, I think this is how you're going to run the report that you need for your iPads. You're going to go, I'm in Resource View, Reports, and then Current Checkouts and Fines. You're going to scroll down and you're going to select all that are checked out and then uncheck the rest of these boxes. It's going to be a report. Hit Continue. Alright, next you need to update library because you don't want any library materials to be on this report. I'm assuming you just want the iPads. So I'm going to click Update eventually and clear all. Hit OK. And then Update Resource Types. Clear all. Scroll down. And these should be your Verizon student iPad in case. If you want to add teachers, you can. Click OK. And then you can uncheck that box. Hit Continue. Then make sure that patron info you have barcode selected, and then you should be able to run the report, and it should list the barcode for the iPad and the student. Let me know if that works.